After searching for the perfect truck camper this year, we decided on the Tune M1. Once it was installed, we wasted no time taking it on a Colorado road trip.
Oh wow. That was a little adventure.
God is definitely coming in here.
We made it!
I need wine! It's insane.
Look at that view. This is camping.
And this is how it went.
We found this cool little area with a bathroom. It's like a bonus.
Aaron, they're in a big corporate idea section. No one is to be admitted. Aaron.
We need more food for Athena, since she is so picky and does not want to eat her raw food, her raw meat. And get some freeze dried.
So cute.
Such a beautiful cat.
Did you see a cat?
She finally wasn't running away from me. This cat.
So now we're going to Ridgway to get some gas
And water.
before we hit the last dollar road.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
I really love this town. Ridgway. People look so friendly. It's a fire department. Beautiful park in the middle of Ridgway with public restrooms, and they even have a little water fountain.
Let's see. Ridgway Concert Series.
Town hall. They got a pretty little train here. Fire rides. Oh, it's part of Ridgway Railroad Museum. That's cool. I gotta go fill up a few water bottles.
She wants water. Are you thirsty? Hey, next.
Really like the feel of this town. This is like one or two streets off the main road. Gorgeous views all around. Really cool. They have a hardware store. There's a market in this corner. Cool restaurants. Mountain market. Love it. So we're leaving Ridgway.
And we are going to, what is it called again?
Last dollar road.
Oh, Last Dollar Road. Bye, Ridgway. I think this guy is moving to Ridgway.
Would love to.
That is a nice town.
do this. I'm gonna have to air down somewhere.
Yep. Oh, it looks pretty. If you have seen the movie True Grit, the opening and closing scenes were filmed at this location. You might recognize that building right there.
One day, little girl, the sadness will leave your face.
That's cool. Look at those beautiful, happy horses. What a gorgeous place for a ranch. There's an old mine entrance.
This road is one of the steepest roads I've ever been on. Just twists around and leads to a tiny town called Sawpit.
Wish that I could be a little clever, find the words to tell you how I'm feeling. Come along, let's take this walk together. We're together, tell me I'm not dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through the storm, and through the fire. Baby, please, my darling, won't you wait for me? Talk to me, let's have a conversation. Find the words to tell me how you're feeling. All I'm asking is have a little patience. Little patience, I don't wanna be dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through the storm, and through the fire. Baby, please, my darling,
Holy cow. That is so breathtakingly beautiful. I would not want to tumble down there. Better watch your footing up here. Look at the views. This is also a camping spot. So I think we are going to spend the night. And again, we are on the last dollar road. It's gorgeous. Ella's nose is peeling and my nose is peeling. We're burned. We underestimated the high elevation sun exposure after effects. I hear thunder. Looks like thunderstorm brewing in that direction. That'd be cool.
Pretty windy.
Yeah. Hey, Spoggart.
This is gorgeous. Wow.
Let's open on this side.
I can't believe we got this camping spot. This is absolutely insane. I hope it's not going to be too cold. We're probably around 8,000 feet is my guess. Looks like the sunset's going to be spectacular.
Floating, weightless, undersea, diving, conscious, like a dream. You and me. Little by little, we're drowning down. Little by little, the tide is rising.
We have beautiful sunset views for our dinner. We feel like veggie burgers tonight, so we got lettuce, tomato, onion, black bean quinoa burgers, and this sauce from Trader Joe's, which is really, really, really tasty for any kind of a burger. We love this one. And some buns, which are about to explode, but they're fresh. It's just the elevation. It's a little breezy up here.
Sun is setting pretty fast. Veggie burgers are getting brown. Buns are looking nice.
Yeah.
Athena is guarding
Do you want some onion?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Well, this is almost done.
The girls are inside the truck reading. Oh, this is beautiful. That looks good.
My favorite sauce. You're not getting any. It's gotten very windy. Our dinner was cut short. We had to move our toilet. Well, take it apart, move it in the car. The tent would have probably flown away. It's also getting cold. I guess that's the price you pay for camping in a gorgeous spot with a beautiful overlook at the top of a mountain. Well, almost at the top. There's a little hill next to us. Hopefully we won't fly away tonight. We'll see. This will be a good test though for the camper, because these are probably the highest winds we've had so far. So we'll see how tonight goes. It will be interesting. It's so windy.
But for how windy it is outside, you don't feel nothing in here.
The canvas
cool.
isn't moving yet. It's
It's like the whole car is moving
yeah.
a little bit. You can
Yeah.
feel it.
The whole car is shaking.
Yeah.
But the canvas is not moving.
Yeah.
It's the most bizarre thing.
This side of the canvas is a little bulged in
I think that's the pressure.
a little bit.
Yeah.
But otherwise the canvas is pretty steady, I have to say. Because outside was like super windy. I mean, it took our little tent on the side.
It took our skibbity toilet tent. Yeah, and it came out of nowhere. It was okay when we were cooking. It was fine. Just a little breezy. But then all hell broke loose. And boom, our toilet was about to fly away. But yeah, so far the camper's holding up really well. It looks like a war zone. That does not look good. I think we should leave within 15 minutes.